Just missed it. See a helicopter, 9/11, Flight 93, check-in post in 5. Make that video of whatever you get when you don't get me. And you don't know when else that phone won't be allowed to work. But you're pretty sure it's going to be the same as me asking for a 9/11 Flight 93 check for 11 years and not getting, just getting one. Make that video, post that video, whatever you get when you don't get me. All firefighters, all policemen, fire station's phone, the police station's phone. Make that video, post that video. Time and date in your video, my number dial. Get that chant going, impeach Catholic Governor Newsom, Presbyterian President Trump, and Jewish LA Mayor Garcetti. Get that chant going, and yes, you can find them. Leads, ties them up, combined to art. Excuse me. Make that video, post that video of whatever you get when you don't get me. You get dangerous censorship. See that phone you're making a video of? That's every child in the world. Lifeline to the firemen, police, paramedics. Make a video of being hijacked. Medical research being hijacked as well with the Pope's doctors of Dignity Health. Catholic doctors, Catholic hospitals worldwide, in the way of what they should be doing. Yes, medical research and making sure that folks' lifelines are not hijacked. Make that video, post that video. Come see me in person. Have whip, will travel. Yeah, missing one. Show me the perfect place to build Jesus' immaculate house. Those 1,000 points I like to inspire the future and the present to greatness. And wherever you are in the world, you see Pope Francis on the television or in person with those photo ops, those tourism kind of things. Yeah, make a video of your stolen call to me, Melton. Catholic Church praying to the 9/11 Muslim devil down below, hijacking your lifeline. Get it on video. Oh yeah, the Pope should be bringing stuff like that up, shouldn't he? He's not. So you try to call me in front of him and ask, what is the Catholic Church doing? What else are they doing besides, yes, the AT&T harassment kind of thing? Parking a fleet of noisemakers in a residential area. Can easily turn them off, but they don't. Yeah, just the tip of the iceberg. Make that video of the world's hijacked lifelines, 44-229-4140, and yes, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Come tell me and go what you think. Oh, the Catholics being in the way of the world's progress and the building of Jesus' immaculate house.